Welcome to another episode of Betty's Kitchen. Just like a continuation of last episode, we prepared the meat, and like I told you, I said we're going to be cooking vegetable, asam pepper soup, and egusi soup. But so today we're going to be preparing vegetable soup. You can use vegetable soup to eat yam, to eat rice, to eat any kind of stuff you want to eat. So this is the preparation. These are the ingredients. This is a prepared cooked meat already, assorted meat. This is a bowl of vegetable. This is spinach. This is tomatoes, cut tomatoes. And here we have crayfish. We have curry. Right here we have the tomatoes, pepper and onions that we're going to use to prepare this soup. So right now, this is my chopping machine. I'm going to chop it. I don't want to blend it. So I like to have some stuff there. Here you have the salt, you have the seasoned oil, you have the oil to prepare vegetable soup. So how do we prepare this vegetable soup? For our learners, first of all, make sure you wash your hands because we're going to prepare this. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. We're going to chop the tomatoes and onions and pepper together. In the pot, we're going to measure at least half cup of oil into this. This is vegetable oil. Now we're going to put this on a low heat so it'll be warm, because by the time I'm chopping the onions and tomatoes together, I'll put it inside to cook. So now you see me, just to chop it. That's what I need. Add more to it. You chop it to this texture you want. Okay, this is chopped onions, tomatoes, and pepper. We're going to add more tomatoes and more onions. See, because of the quantity I'm cooking, it's not a whole lot, so I don't need a whole lot of sauce, just something to be there. So I think I have enough now to prepare this vegetable. So now I'm going to empty this vegetable sauce, tomato sauce, into the pot. I don't need a whole lot here, just a few quantity. I don't want it to be too much. You don't want this to be more than this. That's just enough. of what we're going to prepare. Now get a spoon and stir this. You see the sauce? We let it cook at least for 15 minutes. When it's cooked for 15 minutes, we now add now we now let it cook for at least for 15 minutes so that the water from the tomatoes and all will all simmer together. It won't taste fresh. It'll be cooked. So this is the one cooking right now. Now let it boil. Cover it up. And be ready. So this one is cooking. This one is cooking. So when this one is done, then we will now add other ingredients to it. Before then, we're going to add, this is crayfish. We add it to it because it's vegetable soup. And this is Maggi cube, so that everything will cook together. 2 cubes of Maggi cube, you add it to it. Then you can have like a teaspoon of curry. You add it to it. A teaspoon of curry. Then you add like this, a little bit of salted seasoned oil, is salt, but it's seasoned. So that's the combination we add in this pot. And let it cook until it's at least for 10 minutes. You let it cook for 10 minutes. You stir it together and leave it to cook. I can use this to eat pounded yam. I need to eat rice. I need to eat yam, plantain, because it's vegetable. So now that one is done.